Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free open source hover activated clipboard manager that lives on edge of screen in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as Edge Drop by Defender25. On the first list, you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now, on the right side, you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now, just scroll down below. Now, you'll see here Edge Drop setup.exe. So, I need to download this .exe file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Now click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So now you can see the session screen of this application. So you can read the instructions by clicking on next, or you can directly skip it. So now just move your mouse cursor to the left side of your display screen. So now you can see here a hover activated clipboard manager that lives on the edge of the screen is showing up. So you can see on the above all, and next to it is different tabs like text, links, image, files. So it will sort out separately by the different groups, or you can check out all at once by clicking on the all option also. So let me try to copy some text firstly. So just right mouse click on this text and click on copy. And now once again hover your mouse to the left side of your display screen. So now you can see here text has been automatically added. And now if I click on this text, so now you can see it will show up in the text section or the text tab. And if I click on this links, so no links found. So let me copy some website links. So let me just right mouse click on it and let me click on this copy. Now you can see it's been copied. Now once again just move your mouse cursor to the left side of your display screen. You can see under the link options it automatically added the website link, and even if you click on the all, then you can check out all the copied text or website links. Now under the image showing no image found, so let me just copy a image file. So let me just right mouse click on this image file and let me click on this copy. Now let us check again. So now you can see it's being added, and under the files tab we don't have any files. So let me copy this respective folder by right mouse clicking on it, and let me click on this copy, and let me click on this applications also. Just right mouse click on it and click on this copy. Now let me close it and let us check back. You can see here under the file sections it's adding the application as well as the respective folder. So you can see, so it automatically categorizes all the different types of copied text, links, image and files. So it's working perfectly. And if you want to customize more, then just click on the settings, and you can see here under the behavior tab you will see here tons of options. So if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then just enable this launch set login, and below you will see here tons of options here which you can check out by yourself. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free open source hover activated clipboard manager that lives on edge of screen in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.